Hello kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Maargdarshak Play School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina. Today we will learn from my big book of words topic clock. Okay, my big book of words. Yes, this is your big book of words. This is your big book of words. So from this today we will learn page number 3030 clock. What are these all? These all are clocks showing different time. Each clock is showing different time. Each clock is showing different time. So first I will explain clock, then you will be able to see this and read out the time. Okay. So what is this I have drawn on the board? What is this? This is clock. This is known as clock. What is this known as clock? Why we use clock? To see time. To see time. Time is very important in our life. Yes or no? Today, to do every work, time is very important. To go to school, you will see the time and according to that you will go to school. To go somewhere out, you will see the time. When your parents are going out, they will be watching time. If they want to go to office, they will see the time and according to that their time they will go out. Yes, so time is very important in our life. You should learn how to read the time. You should learn how to read the time. So in this clock, how many numbers you can see on the board? Yes, how many numbers are there on the board? 12 numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 numbers are there in the clock. You see in your clock also. At home we have clock. We will be keeping 2, 3 clocks. Yes, in each room we will keep one clock. So every clock will have 1 to 12 numbers. Every clock will have 1 to 12 numbers. Yes. Straight it will be 12. Yes. After that 1, 2. After 12 it will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes. So 1 to 12 numbers will be on the clock. And you will see two main hands in clock. One is big hand and one is short hand. Yes. One is long hand and one is short hand. One is long hand and one is short hand. So long hand is known as minute hand. Long hand is known as minute hand. It will show minutes. It will show minutes. 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. If it is on 1, we'll say 5 minutes. This minute hand. If it is on 2, 10 minutes. If it is on 3, 15 minutes. So 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So 60 minutes make 1 hour. 60 minutes make 1 hour. This is minute hand. So to complete 1 hour, this minute hand will take one complete round. Yes, but this, which hand is this? Short hand, our hand. Short hand is known as our hand. Our hand, it will move from 3 to 4. Yes, it will move very slowly. From 3 to 4 only it will move. This minute hand will complete one round. When the minute, our hand is moving from 3 to 4, one number only, from 3 to 4, this minute hand will complete one full round. Minute hand will complete one full round. Yes, minute hand, our hand will move very slowly from 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. But this minute hand, it will move very fast and it will, when the our hand is from, it's on 3, exactly the minute hand is on 12. Yes, when the hour hand reaches 4, when the hour hand is moving slowly, this minute hand moves fast and it will complete one full round. The hour hand will move from 3 to 4 only. 3 to 4 only. So we have two hands. One is minute hand and one is hour hand. Minute hand shows minutes. Hour hand shows hours. So now you should learn only hours. To learn hours, you should see only the short hand. Hour hand should be, minute hand should be on 12. Minute hand should be on 12. Hour hand, if the hour hand is on 3, now the hour hand is on which number? 3. The hour hand is on which number? 3. So what is the time now? 3 o'clock. Understood? If the hour hand, small hand is on 4 means you will say 4 o'clock. If this hour hand, red color, short hand, if it is on 6 then you will say 6 o'clock. If this hour hand, short hand, red color hand is on 9, then which time you will say? What is the time? 9 o'clock. Yes, to know hours. So in today's class, we will learn only hours. So for that, you should see that the minute hand should be on exactly on 12, and if the hour hand is on 3, 3 o'clock. If the hour hand is on 5, 5 o'clock. Hour hand means short hand. Hour hand means short hand. You should see the short hand. If the short hand is on 7, then it is 7 o'clock. If the short hand is on 10, it is 10 o'clock. If the short hand is on 1, then it is 1 o'clock. Understood? To know hours, to read hours, you should see the short hand. Now you will see in your My Big Book of Words, page number 3030. Those who have this My Big Book of Words, open your textbook and see page number 3030. Here we have different, yes, we have clocks. We have many clocks. In each clock the time is different. Yes, you should read out the time now. Here you can see 2 hands in this, and one thin hand also you have. That shows seconds. It moves very fast. That shows seconds. Now you are reading hour, no hours. So to read hours, you should see that exactly the big hand should be on 12. And where is the short hand? Now see, the big hand is on 12. Yes, it's on 12. Now see, where is the short hand? The short hand is on 1. The short hand is on 1. So what is the time? 1 o'clock. If this short hand, red color hand is on 1, then you will say 1 o'clock. Yes. If this short hand, red color hand is on 1, then it is 1 o'clock. If this red color short hand is on 2, then it is 2 o'clock. Now this short hand, red color short hand is on 3. So what is the time? 3 o'clock. So now in this first clock, where is the short hand? The short hand is on 1. So what is the time? 1 o'clock. Yes, you can see here 1 o'clock. How it is written? 1 O apostrophe C-L-O-C-K clock. C-L-O-C-K clock. What is the time here? 1 o'clock. What is the time? How you will read the time? You will say 1 o'clock. Now go to next clock. Now where is the minute hand? Minute hand means long hand, big hand. Where is the big hand? The big hand is on exactly on 12. The big hand is exactly on 12. Now see where is the short hand, small hand. The short hand is on number 2. The short hand is on number 2. You should see the short hand to know hours. Yes. Here the short hand is on 2. So what is the time? 2 o'clock. So what is the time? 2 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K clock. Yes. 1 o'clock. If the short hand is on 1, 1 o'clock. The short hand is on 2, 2 o'clock. Now see this third clock. Yes. Where is the short hand in this third clock? The short hand in this third clock is on number 3. Like this. Yes. The short hand is on which number here? Number 3. Where is the short hand? The short hand is on number 3. So what is the time? 3 o'clock. Now here also, where is the short hand in this clock? On number 3. Yes, number 3. So what is the time? 3 o'clock. What is the time? 3 o'clock. Yes, you should see the short hand. You should see in all these clocks, you should see the short hand and you should read the time. Now see this clock. Now read out where is the short hand in this. On which number the short hand is on? The big hand is on exactly on 12. The big hand is in all this clock. You see the big hand is exactly on 12. Exactly on 12. It did not move from 12. It's still on 12 only. Now you see the short hand. Where is the short hand? The short hand is on number 4. So what is the time? 4 o'clock. So what is the time? 4 o'clock. The short hand is on number 4. So what is the time? 4 o'clock. Now next clock. Where is the short hand? The big hand is on 12. The big hand is on exactly on 12. It did not move from that place. Yes, the big hand is exactly on 12. The short hand is on number 5. The short hand is on number 5. So what is the time? 5 o'clock. So what is the time? 5 o'clock. Now move to next clock. Here. Now see the short hand. On which number the short hand is on this clock? Yes, on which number the short hand is on? This is short hand. Where is the short hand? On number 6 on number 6. So what is the time? 6 o'clock. So what is the time? 6 o'clock. How you will read the time? 6 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Now move to next clock. Now see what is this? Clock, no? Yes, in this clock you can see long hand which shows minutes, short hand which shows hours, and also you have one more thin hand that shows seconds. Now here the long hand is on exactly on 12. Now you find out where is the short hand. In this clock, where is the short hand? The short hand is on number 7. Then what is the time? 7 o'clock. Where is the short hand? On 7. So it is 7 o'clock. You should see the short hand. Yes, to know the time. Short hand. Hours. To know hours, you should see the short hand. It's on 7. So 7 o'clock. Now move to next clock. Yes. Now see where is the short hand in this clock. Here the big hand is on exactly on 12. In all these clocks, the big hand is exactly on 12. So minutes, it's just starting, it's on 12 only. It did not move from that place. So to read out minutes, here the hour hand is on short hand. Where is the short hand? The short hand is on number 8. So what is the time? 8 o'clock. The hour hand is on number 8. So what is the time? 8 o'clock. Now move to next clock. Now in this clock you see and say me where is the hour hand. Hour hand means short hand. Hour hand means short hand. Where is the hour hand? Short hand. The short hand is on number 9. The short hand is on number 9. So what is the time? 9 o'clock. So what is the time? 9 o'clock. Now next, move to next clock. Yes, long hand, short hand. Long hand is on 12. Yes, minutes did not start. Still it's on 12 only. So now you should read the hours. See the short hand. Where is the short hand? The short hand. See the clock and say me where is the short hand and which number? The short hand is on which number? The short hand is on number 10. The short hand is on number 10. So what is the time? 10 o'clock. Where is the short hand? The short hand is on number 10. So what is the time? 10 o'clock. Now move to next clock. See here, where is the short hand in this clock? Yes, the short hand is on number 11. Number 11. The short hand is on number 11. So what is the time? 11 o'clock. So what is the time? 11 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. 11 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Now move to next clock. Yes. Now in this clock you say me big hand is also on 12. Short hand is also on 12. Yes or no? Big hand is also on 12. Short hand is also on 12. So what is the time? The short hand is on 12. So it is 12 o'clock. The short hand is on 12. So it is 12 o'clock. Now the clock has completed full one round. First it was on 1. The hour hand was on 1. In first clock the hour hand was on 1. So it was 1 o'clock. Second clock it was on 2. So 2 o'clock. In third clock it was on 3. So 3 o'clock. In fourth clock it was on 4. So 4 o'clock. Fifth clock it was on 5. So 5 o'clock. Then the short hand was on 6. So 6 o'clock. The short hand was on 7. Next clock. So 7 o'clock. The short hand was on 8. So it was 8 o'clock. The short hand was on 9. So 9 o'clock. The short hand was on 10. So 10 o'clock. The short hand was on 11. So 11 o'clock. Then the short hand comes to 12. So 12 o'clock. In this way, the hour hand completed all the numbers. Yes or no? One round it has completed. It was on 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It reached to 12. That means 12 hours completed. Yes, one full round. Yes, if this hour hand moves from 1 to 12, all the numbers, that means 12 hours completed. One round of the clock is completed. Again it will start from 1 after completing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again it will start from 1. Again it will start from 1, then 2, then 3. Yes. So to complete one full round, this hour hand moves from 1 to 12. 1 to 12, one round. Yes. So this is reading time, reading hours, to know that which number, which hand you should see, short hand. You should see that the hour hand, minute hand is on exactly on 12. So you should need to see the hour hand. Where is the hour hand? If here in first clock, hour hand is on 1 o'clock. Second clock, the hour hand is on 2 o'clock. The hour hand is on 3 o'clock. The hour hand is on 4 o'clock. The hour hand is on 5 o'clock. The hour hand is on 6 o'clock. The hour hand is on 7 o'clock. The hour hand is on 8 o'clock. The hour hand is on 9 o'clock. The hour hand is on 10 o'clock. The hour hand is on 11 o'clock. The hour hand is on 12 o'clock. After 12, again it will start 1. Again it will start from 1, then 2, then 3. Yes, understood? This is reading time. Yes, time is very important. You should learn. You should learn to see time, and you should learn to how to read the time. How to read the time. In clock we have two hands, minute hand and hour hand. Minute and hour hand. To know hours, you should see the short hand, hour hand. Now on the board, where is the short hand? The short hand, hour hand is on 3. So what is the time? 3 o'clock. Yes, you have clock at home. You see the clock and you practice. You see the clock and you read the time and say to your parents. Yes, if it is on 3 o'clock. If the short hand comes to 4, then it is 4 o'clock. But the minute hand should be exactly on 12. Yes, if it is moves, then you should read minutes also. Here the minute hand is exactly on 12. So we are not reading minutes. If this minute hand moves to 1, then it will be 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Now we are reading 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. But if this minute hand moves to 1, then it is 5 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Yes, this minute hand reads minutes. Hour hand tells us hour. So at home you have, everybody have clock. See the clock and read out the time. So today's class, what we have learned from big book, how to read clock. Yes, how to read clock. Thank you, children.